It needs to be better. My man might sleep at 1 o'clock in the morning. Do you know what I mean? And I may sleep early and he'll be doing whatever. And it's just like, these are things that you
My man might snore like a madman.
Bro, oh my days.
Go on,
Nicolas Pepe. Nicolas Pepe.
Yeah.
I asked to leave the room.
Shut up.
I went and asked to leave the room because he sounded like a motorbike. It was mad. I was like, bro, it was crazy. It was crazy. I was like, no, I can't. I had to go. I remember, these were the first times as well when I went and I was with Nico, and they let me move in share rooms with Solomon Kalou.
Yeah.
And he was like, bro, I know. I moved myself. So it's mad, bro, man. Those things you have to fucking understand.